Computer Science, Unit 1 Computer Fundamentals, and we are taking the Chapter 1 Computer Fundamentals. In this chapter, we'll learn about the evolution of computers, various generation, and the basic operation of computer we'd like to know. Then what are the components which make a computer and what are their interconnections? This also we'll study. Then what is booting, and then we will try to classify the computers. First thing is, computers now are everywhere. In our life, they are indispensable now. Even the mobile, the smartphone in your hand is a short form of your computer. You want to book a ticket, you want to do some weather forecasting, some friendship, social networking, any purchasing, anything, computers are now indispensable. So it has revolutionized our lives, and the accuracy and the speed which this computer gives is truly unmatched and remarkable. There is no organization now, that will not have a computer. Few may have, but few may not have. But now it is now an essential part. This is not just a luxury. It's an essential part because computers have many benefits. Right from the day or days where it was simple calculating device, now we have portable high-speed computers at our disposal. The evolution of computers, the growth of these computers is from the days where it was to calculate things. Even the calculation was not done. So it all started with that. Why we need computer? Because the manual working is prone to errors and it is quite slow. Then the calculators were made more faster, some memory was added, and it started with, if you might have played when you were a child, calculating device which is called as abacus. And this was the device which we today also see, and it used to calculate. And then there are various generations we are going to see. So this was abacus. Let us see what happened or how everything started. This was discovered by Mesopotamians in around 3000 BC. And this abacus, as you see in this figure, it consisted of beads. These are beads. And these are rods, movable rods, divided into two parts. First part, second part. So the addition and multiplication of numbers can be done by using the place values of the digits of the numbers and the position beads in an abacus. See, these are the position 1, 3, 5, 2, 9, 6, 4, 7, 0, 9, 0, 8. From 0 to 9, that is 10 numbers are there. The Chinese then further improved this abacus. Even today, the young children, they use it for calculation. Each row is thought of as tens place, and from right to left, row number 1, this represents one column, and second column represents tens place, the third 100 place, and so on and so forth. So the starting position of the top beads, representing the value of 5, is always towards the top wall of the abacus, while the lower beads, which represent the value of 1, will always be pushed towards the lower wall at a starting position. Now Napier's logs and bones, as you can see here, the idea of logarithm, log E, log 10, was developed by John Napier. So he devised these numbering rods. We also call it as Napier's bone, through which multiplication and division can be performed. So these were numbered rod which can perform multiplication of any number by a number in the range of 2 to 9. So there are 10 bones corresponding to the 0 to 9, And there is also special 11th bone, which is the multiplier. And by placing bones corresponding to the multiplier on the left side, the bones which are corresponding to the digits of the multiplicand on the right, the product of two numbers can be easily obtained. Then Pascaline. Blaise Pascal, this is the Pascaline. He was a French mathematician. He invented an adding machine in 1642, and it consists of gears so that the numbers can be added quickly. This was Pascaline and was able to add and subtract. Along with it also has one more capability, the carry transfer. If we add 9 with 2, 9 plus 2 is 11, 1. 1 will be carried if the numbers are here. So this carry capability or carry transfer capability was also there. And it worked on the clock principle. So it consists of various number toothed. These are toothed wheel having their unique positions. And the addition and subtraction operation are performed by the controlled rotation of these wheels.